So 1 year later and we're moving. Can y'all believe it? Because I can't, but it's happening. I didn't really get that many questions about the studio space. Ignore me. I'm washing like comforter sheets, last minute things, because I'm literally leaving in 2 days and they're picking up my car tomorrow. So yes, we're trying to definitely get all the stuff done tonight, which pretty much is done. But enough about that section. There'll be more videos on the move and all of that jazz. But yeah, my main purpose for doing the studio was for me, but also for my mom. She has her own cake office space area. Y'all know that. Y'all seen it. If you watch the series, you know about it. But I also really renovated the basement to up the value of my mom's home, and in general, generational wealth is so important. And as I get older, it's just so important to just do the little things. And I may not be able to afford these expensive high-end things for my mom or even pay her mortgage, but what I can do is help you with renovations and just things like that. And sometimes it's the free things that can be just as amazing as like a luxury bag, for example. So don't ever feel like you're too broke, okay, to give someone your all. No, okay, anyway. But I really wanted to up the sale because the basement has just always been like pretty much like the attics in everyone's apartment houses. It's just you store things and you just leave, and I did not want that to be the case for down here. And ever since I was like 10, I've always wanted to renovate, paint, just do so many things down here, but I was always too young to like do that stuff. So that's really the main reason I did it. And of course I got a kick out of it because I was able to create a photo studio, create some cool pictures. Okay, honestly, I could have used down here a lot more, but I also feel like I used it enough where I am still satisfied with leaving. Yes, I will be bringing my lights, my backdrop stand thing. I won't be bringing the big posters. They took forever to hang up and they would fall off weekly. So now they stay on like glue, and I'm not bringing them. I'd rather just reprint some newer photos I've taken that I'm really proud of, like my Black America photo shoot, because ain't nobody taking those down. I don't have time for that. Can't believe I'm doing a video with no earrings. That's crazy. Also, yes, I'm rocking a bob. This is like my signature look. I feel like it's the best hairstyle for my face and stuff. It just frames my face really well. Any other questions? I've never renovated before. I've never painted to this extent. I've never really painted at all. I've never gone to Home Depot so much. I've never like compounded. I've never painted a wall chalkboard black. I've just never done a lot of the things, literally 99.9% of the things that I did down here. And sometimes I come down here and I have to remind myself, you did this, like you finessed this. And sometimes you gotta just push yourself, because if I never did that, I would have never known, even after that step, how much I'm capable of as now a 23-year-old woman. So is there any other important questions that I'm missing? This process took a month, 3 weeks really. My dad came towards maybe like day 6 or 7 to help with painting and stuff like that. But yeah, there's definitely still things I want to fix. I would love to fix the carpet and the flooring if I had the time and knew what I was doing, and maybe that could be a project eventually. I wanted to change these outlets. They're like a beige color. I want to paint the outlets white, and that's really it. My mom's kept her side really clean, and in fact I'm taking some of her kitchen stuff as we speak to Florida with me. I'm keeping the mirror down here as well, this table. A good amount of my props are staying here. I don't need to, because the props are from Dollar Tree, which means they were just $1, to be honest. My towel's gonna stay here, which is right next to me over here, because you can literally get this for like $1, $2 at Home Depot. That is a photo hack for y'all. And I'm gonna miss my block, but I think I am gonna bring this white comforter because I love taking photo shoots with that. And who knows, I might take this wallflower just as a second one to have. I don't know yet. But yeah, for the most part, I'm really just bringing the stuff I'm gonna need the most, which are my lights. But I wanted to come on here and just make a quick video on this. If you guys had questions, comment, like, subscribe. Do not mind the light changing. That is my LED Wi-Fi lights that I got off of Amazon for Christmas. So it's on, I don't know what setting is on, but it just changes colors every couple seconds. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys soon, and bye.